Mabuhay! Pilipinas! What's up? Sa inyo dyan! Uy, Maxis Pangdon Vlogs lang Pabibo and Pabebe. And then, nasan si Pabebe? Andun, si Pabebe Shanta. So today is December 3 at ngayong araw iset up po natin ang Christmas tree natin. Di ba, Bebe? Yes. Di ba set it up? We're gonna get set up the Christmas tree. Andun po yung Christmas tree. Yan, let's do it.
Christmas tree natin.
Let's do it, Bebe. We're gonna unbox that Christmas tree.
You're beautiful, shine like a star. You got me falling slowly, and I'm crashing into you. Oh baby, wherever you go, I pray the angels remind you.
Come on this way. Come this way. Come this way. Nitro. Nagpapabida. Nitro. Hey, look. Halika dito. Halika dito. Ito. Oh, look, like this, baby. Huh? Yeah, like this. You open him up. Oh, and we pull the balls out. Ready? Oh, no, they're not coming out yet. And Daddy fix it. Daddy open it up a bit tighter. A bit better.
Ang minamahal ko po, aking diwata.
So, dito po namin set up ang Christmas tree. Right here. Okay, but yes. Daddy open the Christmas tree. Yes. Okay, here we go. Ooh. Opening him up. Opening the tree up. Aren't we? Yeah. Oh. I really want to keep the box, eh? Should we keep the box or not?
Yeah.
Keep
That's when we store the Christmas tree.
Sabagay na. What's in there, Nitro? What's in there, hey? Oh, wow. Oh, it's a big Christmas tree. Hey, that's cool. Yeah. Woohoo! Set up natin ito, ha? Oh, it's the G tree. Yes. Up.
Sino ba?
Yeah. Wow. Oh.
Is that the blue-green
The big one? Yeah, blue-green one. Woohoo! Alright, these are the feet for the tree, aren't they? Hey, buddy. Yeah, they're the feet for the tree. They're going like this. Like this here. Oh, go! Excited ang bata. Excited ang batang to.
Oh yes, you've got the tree.
Ito pa, baby Nitro.
Look at Daddy.
Look. Oh, put the feet on, see? Oh, yeah. Whoa.
Oh, not this one, Nitro.
Oh, look, Nitro. Oh, that's pretty cool, hey. Yes. Yeah, that's cool, isn't it? Yes.
Yes, cool.
Oh, cool, man.
Yeah, cool.
Oh, very cool, hey. He just chucks it back in the box. Alright, buddy, look at this. Look at this.
Cool.
We're gonna-
You say it again, cool.
Bend out the Christmas tree.
You say it cool. Nitro, you say it cool.
The fake Christmas tree, isn't it? Yes. The fake tree, hey. Yes.
We found this photo. Putting all the Christmas balls in. Busy ka.
Woohoo!
Oh, Nitro, you're so busy.
Alright,
Oh,
next
wait.
one. Where's the next one? I think this is the next one, isn't it? Yes. Next one. Look, Nitro. Look, Nitro. Ooh. Did I lock in? I think I locked in. Alright, pull this one open.
Nitro, you help Daddy.
Woohoo!
I think you have to spread it.
Oh, yeah, we're gonna spread it out way more.
Yeah.
Because
Parang nabasang sisiw yung Christmas tree natin.
Pasang sisiyo. Wow.
Nitro.
Nitro's getting in the box.
Masa-slide ito here.
You're gonna get in the box. Hey?
Masa-slide. Doon niya ba yung mas-slide?
I hope you're right. There are some instructions in the box. Because that doesn't look right at all, does it?
Can you help him get in?
Stand. He's alright.
Baka mo. Can you do it, Nitro? Let me help you. Kasha ka ba? Hindi, kasha ka. Wow! You're in the box. You're in the box, baby. Go! Go. You're in the box. Yes, you are. Oh, be careful.
Okay, you just spread these branches out like that. There you go.
Uy, hinaya kayo. Look.
Yeah, I know that happens with these cheap crap trees.
Hi! Ako po si Bailey at may Phil Talk ako.
If you want to learn Tagalog or Bisaya, Phil Talk is awesome.
Just go to philtalk.net and create an account.
Sign up to Phil Talk today.
Oh, okay, baby Nitro. Now we are going to put tinsel on the tree. Yes. Put the tinsel on the tree. Come on, let's put the tinsel on the tree.
Paano start ni
Rip open the pack of record.
may dala
Yeah,
yung
the
cardboard
tinsel.
mo.
Oh, really? Oh, baby. Baby Nitro. Here we go.
He likes it.
Like the tinsel, eh? Yeah. Oh.
Look, Nitro. Yay! So pretty. So pretty, isn't it? Wheel.
Wheel. Oh.
I think that's pretty. It's tugging on the, but it has to be like maganda.
In the middle.
And not too straight, I think. Not too straight.
No, just working it around.
Yeah, but you're choking the tree. It's too tight.
Oh,
It's like it's inside now. It has to be.
Yeah, that's right. So you can hang decorations.
No, but not too tight. Look, it changed the shape of the tree. Yes, it did.
You just fix it.
No, it has to be on the side.
Oh.
It's too tight. No, you can
You do
appreciate.
your tinsel, I'll do my tinsel.
But your tinsels is in, so you can appreciate it.
Oh, go.
It has to be like.
Go, go, go.
So it's like, oh, you're stepping on my tinsel.
Natural, walang okay.
Ay, you're still stepping on my
I'm not stepping on.
It has to be outside. So it's...
Woohoo! Look at that, Nitro. Tinsel all around the tree.
See, you can see the red is in there.
Yeah, it's good.
Inside. It's inside?
Your goal is the power of the tree.
Yeah.
Find the balance.
It's fine because there will be both. No, you made this one.
Yeah, it's alright. It's fine.
This beautiful life.
You hold it. Ready? Let's go, baby. Put him on the tree. You put him on the tree. There. On the tree. Yeah. Oh.
This one.
Try this one. Try this one. Okay? Yeah. You try this one. Hold it. You hold him. Hold him. Ready? Hold him on the
No, I
tree.
think it's just gonna...
On the tree. On the tree.
You wanna do it, baby?
Okay. Woohoo! See, look at that. Oh, that's
Oh, you
pretty.
did
Hey,
it.
that's pretty. Here's another one.
You're beautiful, shine like a star. You got me falling slowly and crashing into you. Oh baby, wherever you go, I breathe.
Wow, look at that, Nitro. Woohoo! We got some lights. Yeah, we got some lights, hey buddy? We do. We're gonna sort out these lights, aren't we? Yes. Oh no, don't grab them. Don't grab them. Let go. Let go of the lights. Let go of the lights, baby, because you'll tangle it. Nope, no.
Just look at it, Nitro.
Setting up the Christmas tree with the baby is very hard. You know, to go.
So pretty.
The baby just wants to wreck everything on the tree. Don't shout. You can't have it, baby. You can't have it. You'll wreck it. You'll break it. All the lights are tangled. They're all tangled, buddy. All of them are tangled. Yes, they are. All tangled up.
Oh, it's the...
No. Uh-oh.
He thinks it's a game. How do I turn it off?
Yeah.
What? Mauubos daw ang battery.
Not sure about that.
Yeah, just let him touch it. It's fine.
Because I need to pull it.
Ah. Nitro, are you ready?
One. Nitro, look.
Nitro,
One.
look.
Nitro,
I need
two.
this space.
Three.
Look, Nitro!
Look.
Behind you!
Hey. Over here.
Behind you!
Over here, silly boy. This way. Look. Wow. Ooh, wow. Yeah. Alright, baby, help Daddy put the star on the tree. Okay, you ready? I'm gonna put the star on the tree. You get the star, hold the star, and put it on the top of the tree. You ready? Here you go. Come on. That's it. Yeah. On here. That. Whoa! Exciting, isn't it? First Christmas tree ever. Kahit nung kami pa lang ni Shanta, we haven't had a Christmas tree before. So ito ang pinakauna nating Christmas tree. Look at it! Woohoo! Woohoo! Alright guys, maraming salamat sa panonood sa video na to. We have set up our Christmas tree. Diba, Mami Shanta? Hey! We'll see you sa sunod na video natin. Bye for now. Say bye, baby Nitro. Bye!
Nitro, say bye!
Wala kang pake. Naglalaro lang siya.
A dream come true. You are elegance and freedom. You're everything to me.